Adding sound to your video can make all the difference. It can make it more exciting and much more watchable when you've got sound on your videos. So today we're going to be talking about how to add sound in Canva. It's really lots of fun and easy to do. So I've prepared here some videos, and each one would require a different kind of sound. So this one would probably have more of a sound effect like the ocean, of course. So we're going to go here to audio. Let's see, ocean waves. Ocean waves. So we'll click with the ocean waves. And the cool thing about this is that you can test them out before you actually put them in there. So we want to choose waves that are kind of soft waves. So all you have to do is take the sound effect that you want to use and just simply put it down below here. So let's move it over. I don't know why it's not on the edge. And let's give it a play. So you'll notice here that it's playing across all of the videos. It's not going to make sense to some of the other ones. So what we're going to do is just take it to the end in the two bars here, and we're going to move it down, and it will just play for this particular video. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter so that we don't have to listen to it for too long. Okay, so there's that one. And then this one, what do you think is going on here? Let's try something. The music has what is called a beat sync. Let's see if this beat sync, it's a kind of an AI thing where they will sync the music with the video. And let's see if it would maybe sync up with the video. Let's see, sync now. Your pages and elements will be automatically timed to the music. I don't know if I don't want it to do everything, but let's just see what it will do as we play it. That's another thing to experiment with. Again, you right-click on the sound bar, and then you choose Beat Sync, right? So that's what you would do there. I'm going to make this shorter too because I want to show you something at the end about syncing all of this, putting all this together. And if you're doing like a family slideshow or something like that, you know, you could have a whole song play over it. And here's some city music. Let's see, maybe cafe jazz or something would go good with this. We could put freeway traffic. Let's give it a listen. Might have to turn the volume up on that a little bit. That kind of works. And then here, this is a jungle, so I thought we would do some sound effects. This is actually pretty good, the first one here. So see what we have, and then what you can do with the audio is you can change, you can fade in and fade out and do things like that, and I'll show you that in a second, but let's see what we've got here. All right, so we've got the ocean waves. Music just can make a video, make or break a video. And then we have the traffic. Love it. And the jungle. I mean, it's just amazing how much of a difference music can make. Now, if we go here, we just click on it. You can do fade in, fade out. You can adjust the volume before you record it. You can apply the volume to all the tracks, but I wouldn't do that because each track is going to have a different volume level. So basically that's it. That's how you do your music. And the wonderful thing is, if this is just 45 seconds and the video is longer than 45 seconds, you can put in 2 of them. So I'll just show you here. Like here's, okay, so this, I've used the total length of that music track. I can put more music in, you know, if I duplicate this slide, the music is going to duplicate with it, or the page, right? So let's see what that does. See, so it just continues when you duplicate the slide, or you can put the music in and make it longer or shorter. So basically, that is it for music, and this has been fun. Love music. Have a good one, everybody.